Alright, it's 5:41 in the morning and I am Starbucks. Last week was a bad week, so I'm up early again. Let's make this money today. It is 10:08 and I'm at a total of 122. Alright, let's keep it going. Last week was a very slow week, so let's see how much we'll make this week. Let's keep making this money. It's 2:28 p.m. I'm at a total of 198. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. Alright, it is 10:08 and I made a total of 286. That's alright. Alright day. Let's keep making this money and see how much money we make tomorrow for Tuesday. 6:51 in the morning. Let's see how much money we make today. And it is 2:19 p.m. Made a total of 139. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. Remember, no Uber, just Lyft. It's 8:41 and we finished the day with 290. Alright, let's keep it going. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow for Wednesday. 5:48 in the morning. Here we go again. Can't sleep. See how much money we make today for Wednesday. Alright, it's 2:30 and I've only made a total of 144. So doesn't look like I'm not gonna be getting back to work till about 6. So just keep it going, making money. It is Thursday. Oh my god, I'm so lost. Thursday. Started the day off at about 6 o'clock in the morning. Yesterday I only made $200 for the day, so alright, I had a couple of things to do, so I only made $200. But today, early day again. Alright, let's see how much money we make for today. It's like 125 and I made a total of 202 for today. Woohoo! That's pretty good. 202. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. And I have finished the day off today at 9:41, making a total of 303. That was pretty good. I had to take off from about 2 o'clock till about 5:30. So, you know, I missed making money during that time. But still 303 for today. Veterans Day, November 11th. Let's keep it going. See how much money we make tomorrow. It is 6 o'clock in the morning and it's Friday. Let's see how much money we make today. So it is 2:15 p.m. and I made a total of 156. It's a little slow for a Friday, but let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. 9:28 p.m. I made a total of 276 for today. Tomorrow, I do not think I'm gonna be working, at least during the day. I got this electric expo that I really wanted to go to. I wanted to see some really cool toys. So maybe no work for Saturday, but if anything, I'll continue Sunday. But 276 for today. Let's keep it going. Still got one more day at least to go. It is Sunday, 9:15 a.m. I started the day at about 4:30 a.m. So alright, I've only made $130 for today. Let's keep it going. Today's the last day, Sunday. Saturday didn't work because I was at some electric expo event. It was pretty cool. But 130 for today. Last day, Sunday. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the night. Alright, 2:34 p.m. and I made a total of 279. And it's only 2 o'clock? Oh, almost 3. 2:30, whatever. Let's keep it going. I'm gonna work a couple more hours, see if I can get over 300 today. Well, I should get over 300, but just keep it going. See you in a little bit. Finish the day at 7:09 with a total of like $400 something. Pretty good for a Sunday. And finished the week with like 1870, and 2 of those days were like really slow. So all right, 1870 for this week. That's really good. Let's see how much we make next week.